If you are planning to take the IELTS exam and you don't know where to start, this video will save you months of confusion. In this video, I'll explain the complete IELTS exam pattern, all 4 sections, the scoring system, and how you can prepare IELTS at home step by step. This is the only beginner video you need. Stick around until the end to see the correct preparation order. First, let me clear one big misunderstanding. IELTS does not test advanced English or difficult vocabulary. It tests clarity, structure, and how well you follow instructions. That's why many students with good English still get band 6 or 6.5. The IELTS exam has 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each section is designed to test a specific skill. Listening has 4 sections and 40 questions. You hear the audio only once. The exam tests your ability to catch keywords. Reading has 3 passages. Academic and general training reading are different. Time management is the biggest challenge here. Writing has Task 1 and Task 2. Task 2 carries more marks and affects your band score the most. Structure matters most. Speaking is a face-to-face interview with an examiner. There are 3 parts. Fluency and clear ideas matter more than perfection. Each section is scored from band 0 to band 9. Most students get stuck between band 6 and 6.5 because they miss expectations. Most students practice a lot but without a plan. They focus on vocabulary instead of exam strategy and repeat mistakes. Yes, you can prepare IELTS at home. You don't need expensive coaching if you follow the right order and strategy. First, understand the IELTS exam pattern. Second, learn how examiners mark answers. This is the foundation. Third, practice with strategy. Fourth, analyze your mistakes. This order saves time and improves scores faster. On this channel, I'm building a complete system. If you're serious about Band 7+, subscribe and start with Playlist 1.